Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, 7 minutes of very boring dash cam videos with a whole lot of not much going on other than me getting disrespected and angry and doing nothing about it. Please enjoy. Garmin, save video.
Retirement hoping. Risks and inflation are rising, and planning is critical now. At Element Wealth, our exclusive 360 process can create a strategy to help protect what you've worked so hard to build while still providing growth. To start the conversation, visit myelementwealth.com or call 601-956.
Okay, Garmin, save video. Lord have mercy. Okay, Garmin, save video. Save video. And GoPro, Electro, whatever you're gonna record.
Garmin, save video.
Already did it.
Okay.
This is not how you merge. This is not you. We're both screwed now. Oh my God, you're gonna get, dude. Mark,
Phantom Regiment.
Phantom Regiment. That's it.
Yep.
This is not how you merge. Bless it, man. You don't need to be driving anymore. You don't need to be driving anymore if this is how you do things. We got her, you buffoon. What a moron. What time is it? 2:05.
There you go. We're back with you after this on the Gallo Radio Show.
10 months, Laura Trump says she's stepping down as the co-chair of the Republican National Committee and is considering a number of potential options as her father-in-law prepares to return to the White House.
That was a
winter
stop.
Meeting coming up just before the inauguration. It's the week before, and they will be able to vote some
advertising, including retargeting, geofencing, first-party addressable. Reach out to any Super Talk Mississippi media representative.
Golly, man. Did y'all see that?
Attempting to hit us?
Yes. Of course, my rear camera is not on. clown.
It's just our largest
Okay,
industry.
Garmin, save video.
Small towns all across the state of Mississippi will feel
Save
the impacts
video.
of this when if we don't get a full group of farmers back out there going
You don't die. It's cool.
No, but
I don't know what the new administration's
Okay,
gonna do
Garmin,
with all of that,
save video.
Directions they've been pushed in, but they certainly
Zoom.
are in the process
Camera driver.
of looking at battery power.
as having received FBI training. Well, Christopher Wray, still the director of the FBI until January 20th.
Post Assad Syria. Texas prosecutors in
Okay,
Houston
Garmin,
will seek the death penalty
save
for the
video.
two Venezuelan migrants charged with murdering 12-year-old Joy.
Can we get some hot chocolate?
You can get free hot chocolate and cider at the place on Front Street, right there. You can go in there and cookies.
Yeah.
We have some people making
That's
some
cool.
cookies.
Go home and bake some.
Don't worry about it.
Watkins with Third Base Wine and Liquor is also going to be having hot lemonade. And then all of the shops downtown will be open as well. And usually they'll have...
Okay, Garmin, save video. So worth it, bud. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Means, yeah, get it. Just mad at me too. Okay, Garmin, save video. SNC Honda, drive like a doofus. Keep it in the middle of the road, feller. Let's keep it in the middle of the road. Goodness. Okay, Garmin, save video.
In January of 1912, Alfred Wegener proposes the fully formulated theory of continental drift and gives the supercontinent.
Garmin. Okay, Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin. Did it record it back there? Okay, Garmin, save video.